What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we have found a really nice potential setup here on the British pound against the Aussie dollar. Now I've already marked out the zone. We've got a supply zone here, and I found our fair value gap within on the 3 minute. We're just going to check to see if there's any on the 1 minute. No, so there's no fair value gaps after this one. So basically what we're going to do now is on the 5 minute we're going to wait for a break of a candle low, and if we get that then we will enter the market and see what we get basically. So we're pushing up quite nicely here. Ideally I'd probably like to see price to test this resistance here and then turn around. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, so jumping back in, as you can see we have pushed up all the way through the zone, almost like a liquidity grab of the highs here, and we've pushed back down. The new candle's open now, so all we have to do is to wait to see if we can get a break of this candle's low. If we do, then we can enter the market, and we'll be looking to go to the downside. So we'll just wait here and we'll see if we get that. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit, and as you can see we have pushed up. We actually closed above these highs here, but we haven't closed above the zone. I moved the zone just slightly to encompass this high as well. We have now literally that little wick there, that is a liquidity grab of all the liquidity above this highs. So if we can get a closure back here and then the next candle can respect this high and then flip bearish, we'll enter the trade. That would be really the ideal situation. This closes around here in 6 seconds, price pushes up, flips bearish, and then we'll enter the market with a really nice close stop. So here we go, price is coming in, pushing up. What I'm going to do, because I've got to go out, is I'm going to put a sell stop here with a stop loss just above the high here for 7.5 pips, and I'm going to target this high just here. Okay, so this is going to be our entry, and I'm just going to get this going. So okay, we are flipping bearish now. There it goes, and we've now been activated. We're in. Okay, stop loss is just above the high there at 195. And we're going to target our first TP, which is down there at 6043. Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so jumping back in, and it has been a while. As you can see, price has gone on to do all sorts of things since we last checked in. I've been out and about, but when we last checked in we had our 5 minute candle here flipping bearish, which triggered our entry. We got our first TP down here pretty much immediately within like 7 minutes or so. And then once we got that, I brought our stop loss to break even while I was out on the phone, and I decided to let it run for quite a while. While watching it, I decided to take profit just on above this wick here, as I thought this may act as a support, and also this as a demand zone, but it actually did push on further, but that's fine. And we managed to catch 33 pips in total. So a really nice trade there on GB Aussie dollar. And we move on to the next one. If you have enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the analysis inside, please give it a like and give us a subscribe. It really helps, and we'd love to build this community up with people like you. So let's move on, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!